Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming the source format and choosing where the extracted track will go. Once done, open the Audio Extractor app and grant any required permissions so the app can access files. Next, drag or import the video into the workspace. Make sure you pick a clear target folder and set a file name that identifies the audio. This avoids overwriting files. You're now ready to pick output settings and the exact audio track to extract in the next step. You now choose how the audio will be exported. Pick MP3 for smaller files, WAV for lossless, or AAC for modern compatibility. Then set bitrate between 128 and 320 kbps based on quality needs. Next, select the correct audio track or language if the file has multiple streams, and trim start or end times to remove unwanted sections. If you need consistent volume or a single channel file, once conversion finishes, play the exported file to verify quality, duration, and metadata like title and artist. If the audio is missing or silent, go back and recheck that you selected the correct audio track or language, then rerun the extraction. If you see conversion errors, make sure there's enough disk space, update the Extractor app, or choose a different codec and try again. If problems persist, restart the app and repeat the extraction with a short sample to debug quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.